How to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Grab your phone and find the Binance app. Tap on it to open it up. Look at the top right corner of the app. You'll see an option that says Add Funds. Tap on it. Look at the bottom of the screen. There's an option that says Deposit Crypto. Go ahead and tap on that. Find USDT in the list of cryptocurrencies. It's usually listed with a lot of other coins. Tap on USDT. Choose the Tron network. Tap on Tron. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers. This is your deposit address. There's a little copy icon right next to it. Tap on that to copy the address. Now, switch over to the Tonkeeper app. Find it on your phone and tap to open it. In Tonkeeper, look for a button that says Send. Tap on that to start the transfer process. In the address field, tap and hold to paste the address you copied from Binance. It's important to get this exactly right. Press Continue after pasting the address. Confirm the transfer by following the prompts. Your USDT should start moving over to Binance. And that's how you transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick and easy crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.